Welcome to the Skym Traktor Pro setup. For this, you'll need a Mac running Traktor, an iPhone or an iPad, and a USB cable. First step is to download Skym on the App Store. There will be a link in this description. Second step, you're going to go to Audio MIDI Setup on your Mac. Connect your iOS device with a USB cable, and you should see it appear in your audio devices. Press Enable. Now your device is connected with MIDI. In Traktor Pro, go to Settings and go all the way down to Controller Manager. We're going to add a generic MIDI controller. Choose the iPhone or iPad as the input and output port. In Skym, we're going to go to Settings and make sure we're on one of the user presets. And we're going to start doing some mappings. Basically, synth mode will be mapped to deck 1 and control mode will be mapped to deck 2. So this is all going to be for effects. So we'll start with unit on and we'll map that to the note. And we'll do this by tapping the note label. Then we'll choose dry wet and we'll map that to the Z. And we'll do that by tapping the Z label. Now we'll map knob 1 to X. And we'll map knob 2 to Y. And let's go ahead and map knob 3 to X as well, just so we get more effect. This is something you could change on your own if you wanted to. Now we'll do the same thing, but for deck 2. So we'll change to gate. This is for control mode. And we'll change that to deck 2. So we'll repeat the whole process for deck 2 using control mode. Mapping knob 2 to Y on deck 2, and now mapping knob 3 to X. Again, this is totally just preference. You might just want to use knob 1 and 2, but I found that knob 3 a lot of the times does the most important thing. So now let's test it out. So in synth mode, we see it's working. And control mode, we see it's working for effect 2. Yep. That's working. Now let's try effect 2. That's working. Let's try another effect. And what if we wanted that effect switcher to be on these arrows? So we'll go to effect 1 selector and for deck 2, and we'll map that to the arrow. And we'll want to change the type to a button instead of a fader. And we basically want the increment to be the top arrow and the decrement to be the bottom arrow. So it automatically made 2 mappings. And on the bottom mapping, we'll MIDI learn it to the bottom arrow. and choose decrement. Now it scrolls through the effects, which is great for a live performance. What's great about this is you know whenever your finger leaves the pad that the effect will stop. And that's it. Thanks for watching the setup video for Skym and Traktor, and stay tuned for more videos.